Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I'm coming to you with an unboxing video of these Nike Air Force Ones. It's a women collections. It says women's Air Force One 07S and I wear a US size 10. And the colorway of the shoes is orange peel. Boom, it's in your face, it's bright orange like the name of the shoes. It has these wide rubber bottoms, very regular of the Air Force Ones. It has this Nike at the bottom. At the back it comes with the Nike Air logo with a swoosh. I feel like this is a very beautiful color, especially for women. It has this perforated detail right here and this AF1 thingy. It's rubbery and it's a bit duochromy. I feel like they add a little bit more detail to the shoes. The laces are just the regular orange laces. The tongue of the shoes, I don't feel like it's the best quality. And it's in right here, it's a mesh type of material. They are very comfortable on the feet, I tell you that. And the swoosh goes all the way from the middle right up to the back. And these are a bit duochromy. I don't know if it picks up on camera. They are fire. I love them. I don't mind bright shoes because I like for a fact that when I wear my shoes I want everybody to be staring at them, and they are very fresh, really cool. So if you're not afraid of color, I recommend this 100%. If you see them, cop them. They are pretty cool. And I'll insert a short video of me wearing the shoes so you kind of have a feel on how they look on my feet. I don't regret buying this at all. And they come in 3 different colorways. They come in this bright orange, a hot pink, and I feel like the last color is neutral color. I'm not too sure. I don't remember what color that is. I tried to get my hands on the pink ones, but they sold out really fast. But I'm still on the lookout for those because those ones are bomb as well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. Share the video, comment, and if you've copped one of these and wore them, you can leave a comment on how they hold up. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm gonna leave my social media platforms on the screen or maybe in the description bar below. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you next time. Bye.